What we have is that we have a pneumatic push arm that transfers totes from one conveyor over to the next conveyor. Some of the issues that we've encountered with this system is one is maintenance. We have to make sure that the shafts stay clean and lubricated in order to have a smooth transition. We also have to make sure the filters stay clean so that we have a good air pressure at all times. One of the issues that we encounter with it is we have a very large range of different size items, whether it's different sizes of different weights. And if the tote has a lot of light material in it, the transfer arm has a tendency to push the tote too far and too hard, which can cause the tote to flip off the line. And if the tote's too heavy, it has a tendency to not push it far enough. It spins on the conveyor and gets stuck or jams with another tote. Right now, about 100 times a day, we have to send an employee over here to manually unclear this jam. Not only is that a terrible waste of time, but it's also a safety concern, as I definitely don't want to have employees trying to reach in here and pull these totes. There's a chance that the tote could flip off the line, just as it is here. That can cause a pinch, or it could fall down and hurt somebody. So we reached out to the System Plast team, and they offered us a solution. Over the weekend, we were excited about the installation of the Modsort Divert and Transfer Station. Check back with us with an update after the install.
As you can see, the installation of the System Plast Modsort Divert and Transfer Station is well underway. I'm Tracy Walkup with Virteca. We've partnered with the System Plast team to provide a complete integrated solution using 2 Modsort units as right-angle transfers for this application. These units have been designed to be a drop-in retrofit replacement of mechanical and pneumatic diverts. We're able to use the control signals from the previous diverts. This made for an easy electrical installation and a straightforward mechanical installation. The new diverts are safer, they're more energy efficient with their 24-volt MDR technology and no compressed air.
Well, it's Monday morning and we're back online with our Modsort Divert and Transfer Station. And it's made a major improvement in both accuracy and, most importantly, for the safety of our employees. We're experiencing far less jams and improved efficiency. The System Plast team has been invaluable to the success of this implementation from conception all the way through the installation process.
In this application, we help provide a quiet, safe, and more efficient retrofit solution to help reduce the 100 jams a day. If you have an application that could benefit from the Modsort Transfer and Divert Station, please visit modsort.com.